Hello, hello. I am Nicole Williams, the Impactful Brand Coach, and today I am thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking tool that is set to reshape the way that you conduct your business, enhance your marketing strategies, and just transform your content creation process altogether. Whether you're an influencer, a business owner, a marketer, or a copywriter, this tool is your secret weapon to unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of AI-powered assistance that is completely changing the game. Imagine a world where all you need is an email address to connect to an AI machine that takes care of your business's heavy lifting. This tool is a fusion of Google search and a highly intelligent assistant on steroids. With the right prompts, you can access text, codes, images, sounds, and answers to your questions. Case point, ChatGPT reached an astonishing 5 million users in just 5 days, a testament to its remarkable capabilities. Say goodbye to spending hours on Google searches. ChatGPT can provide you with the information you're looking for in seconds. So, how does this magical tool work? It is a conversational chat box that handles your tasks and your questions. You provide the information you're looking for or specify a task, and ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. For small business owners and solo entrepreneurs, this tool is a godsend. Imagine effortlessly obtaining stunning images for your post, creating a month-long content calendar with one single click, or having ChatGPT craft YouTube video scripts complete with SEO optimized titles. The possibilities are endless. There is a common concern that AI might replace jobs or services. However, rest assured that ChatGPT is more of an assistant than a threat. It complements our skills, adding efficiency and creativity to our endeavors. Our superpowers are the ability to convey heartfelt stories and experiences in a uniquely human way. Creative thinking and emotional intelligence remain untouched by AI. ChatGPT becomes a valuable partner, freeing us to focus on what truly sets us apart. One key takeaway is that the quality of input directly influences the quality of output. With the right approach, you can leverage ChatGPT to its fullest potential. Stay tuned for my upcoming free copywriting course on YouTube, where I'll dive deeper into these skills. ChatGPT opens doors to write ebooks, create content, develop courses, design coaching programs, and even craft compelling real estate listings. The possibilities are boundless, and this tool empowers you to achieve new heights of success. So, whether you're an influencer, an entrepreneur, a marketer, or any professional seeking to elevate your business, ChatGPT is your ultimate partner in innovation. Its AI-powered capabilities streamline tasks, boost creativity, and enhance your unique human touch. Embrace this tool and witness your business processes, marketing strategies, and content creation soar to unbelievable heights. Remember, your superpowers of storytelling, creativity, and emotional intelligence remain irreplaceable. Together with ChatGPT, you are unstoppable.